from last 3-4 days. The whole world is talking about a new COVID variant. WHO has given the name Omicron. 22nd letter, the Greek alphabets. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another video. This video is a caution for all of us. Whenever there is any pandemic and the whole world suffers with new variants, any virus takes up mutation, comes up with a new variant. It goes on and on as long as the virus is being spread. It is being spread all over the world at various levels. India experienced first wave, second wave. Now a little bit of grace and mercy and kindness of God that we could able to open up our businesses, our schools. We could able to go to offices. Now from 2 days, the whole thing is alarming. It is a great concern for all the human welfare. WHO is giving us a caution. Don't have any international travel. Travel restrictions, business restrictions. Many of the precautionary measures, but still there is some, I call it a negligence from our side. I have come today requesting, pleasing all my St. John's community, my teachers, my students, my parents, all the well-wishers, all the helpers over there. Listen carefully. Whatever can be the mutant, whatever can be the variant, they can be of SARS, COVID-19, SARS-2, different variants. Delta variant, now Omicron. This Omicron, it is resistant for any kind of immunity. It can be spread. Even vaccinated people, those who already suffered COVID, may get back this again if there is a negligence. What to do? What is the best precaution? Because it's always prevention is better than cure. Try our best to prevent the spread of this new variant. We may have to go out for our work. We need not wait that government can put some again lockdowns or something. Don't wait till then. But what we can do? We can work, we can go. We have exams going on, board examinations. But what is that first one? Only one saving grace. Only one solution for this Omicron. Only one grace of saving ourselves is your mask. Always have a nice cotton mask. N95 is good, but still many people say that they feel breathless. My suggestion, have a nice mask. Have it like this. It has to close up and down. Many I see having a mask, moving around without covering the nose and mouth. They keep like this and they move around. I tell you, no point if you have like this. They have it when they are about to come and speak, they remove the mask and speak. I have seen in many of the offices, many of the organizations, in examination places, in crowded places. You remove the mask and speak. Then what is the need of having this mask? My dear students, parents, teacher, it is my humble request to everybody. Whenever you come out of your home, whenever you are in the classrooms, whenever you are in the ground, whenever you are traveling and cycling on the road, whenever you visit a hospital or any emergencies, don't have unnecessary movement with this new variant now. Don't play with it. Don't take things very casually. Have your mask properly, a cotton fresh mask, all the time, as long as you're outside your home. As long as with your new people who come to your home. As long as you go to office. I tell you, this mask, not just for the sake of coronavirus or the new variant, Omicron or Delta. This mask protects us from common cold and cough. Because AP, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, many of the places in India experiencing constant rains with continuous cyclonic storms, floods everywhere, water is being polluted, air has lost its purity, and people are so much suffocated with infections, upper respiratory infections. Your common cold and cough you can be saved from it from others, as it is highly contagious, it can spread easily. Have the mask. Wear your mask. You can be healthy. You can save yourself from that small ailments and infections. You can save others. Our immunity may not be good with this new variant. You may think I have strong immunity, I can fight with. I tell you, whenever the new variant comes, and that too this variant has come from a country where the population not even 20% is vaccinated. So when such variant comes from the population where it is not properly vaccinated, the variant can be little stronger and severe. I want all of you to think of these aspects. Let us not worry about the scientific aspects. Let us not worry about what are the outcomes. Let us worry and think how we be a big role in not spreading this virus. That is only our main aim. That is only our responsibility during these days of pandemic. Don't worry, we can have n number of variants. Mutation takes place. But how to stop spreading such things? It is in our hands. It is our responsibility to have the mask on all the time. Remember to have your mask. Close your nose, close your mouth whenever you are with the people, wherever you walk. That's the only one and only solution. Nothing else. During this time of examination, during this time of November, December work, we don't know how things can be. But let us do our bit. Let us be responsible of having our mask on all the time, because that is the only saving grace and solution for all of us to be safe and also to make others feel safe. It is our responsibility. Think about it. Practice having a mask all the time. It can be little discomfort. A mask can be little discomfort, but without mask, a greater discomfort is when you are with oxygen. Greater discomfort is when someone is on the ventilator. Don't you think this is simple when you compare with those things? though it is little discomfort, kindly have your mask everywhere, even for number of months or number of years. Let us have this new norm, get acquaint ourselves with this simple but effective and powerful protection. Take care, be safe, God bless you all.